actresses. In our drama, we have two parts. The first part, Kira as a stepsister 2, Mahira as a prince, and Raihan as a stepsister 1. Okay. Let us start our drama. Once upon a time, there lived an unhappy young girl. Her name was Cinderella. She lived with her father, stepmother, and two stepsisters. Her stepmother and both of her stepsisters really hate her. Every day, she was treated like a servant in that house. One day, a king of the village decided to have a dance party in his castle. All villagers are kindly invited. Unfortunately, Cinderella was avoided by her stepmother and stepsister from coming to the party. Finally, Cinderella can join the party through fairy's help. As a requirement, she must return home before 12 midnight. Because of that, she had left one of her glass slipper on her castle steps.
I want every girl in the kingdom to try on the nose glass slipper. I must find my princess today.
But the glass slipper didn't fit anyone. The prince then arrived at Cinderella's house.
Good morning, Prince. I'm so happy that you found my slipper. Oh, yeah?
It is my slipper. I am the princess you are looking for.
The ugly sisters tried to fit into the slipper.
Please try first.
Oh,
Your feet is so big.
No, your feet is much big. Give me to try.
Oh, you are so...
the feet were much too big. And the prince saw Cinderella. Now, the second part, Kira as a Cinderella, Mahira as a prince, and Raihan as a stepsister 1.
Let this girl try. She is the last person in the village who doesn't try this glass slipper.
No, I don't want to try it. Please leave me alone. Don't approach me because...
No, you must try this slipper because I'm very sure that the slipper fit on you.
Please don't force me, Prince.
Please try it.
Please don't force me.
Cinderella tried to avoid herself when the prince asked her to try the slipper. Suddenly, the stepsister approached the Cinderella and lift up Cinderella's skirt.
She doesn't have one of her feet because she involves an accident. So she can try the slipper.
The glass slipper is not mine. It belongs to other girls outside there.
Oh, no.
Prince felt frustrated after heard the declaration. He gave up to find the owner of the glass slipper and decided to marry with other girls. The end.